Video 5. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Ulm, Germany. His father was an electrical engineer and his mother was a musician. She taught him to music. He didn't speak until he was 2 years old. When he was 6, his father gave him a compass. He was fascinated by the way the needle always pointed north. This experience helped to create curiosity in him. He attended a high school called Luitpold Gymnasium Munich. After a year in Italy, he went to Zurich, Switzerland. He took a job at the Swiss Patent Office examining patents for people's inventions. The year 1905 was an exceptional year for Einstein. In that year he published 3 outstanding papers. He outlined his photoelectric law in which he discussed the behavior of light. In 1921 he was awarded the Nobel Prize for this paper. The second paper, which was his most famous, explored the relation of mass and energy. The third paper was on the special theory of relativity. He concluded the speed of light is always the same, 186,000 miles a second. The Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey invited him to be their director. He spent the rest of his life in America. Einstein was married 2 times. He died at the age of 76. He developed the general theory of relativity, one of the 2 pillars of modern physics. Einstein's work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. Puppies run away. There are 5 little puppies in the field today. One sees a mouse and runs away. There are 4 little puppies in the field today. One sees a bug and runs away. There are 3 little puppies in the field today. One sees a bird and runs away. There are 2 little people in the field today. One sees a butterfly and runs away. There are 1 little puppy in the field today. It sees a cat and runs away. The dog calls her puppies. Woof, woof, woof. 5 little puppies come to running back.